At times we sit and say, does God really exist? Is He the creator of the universe? Yes is the answer. God is still acting mightily in our lives even now. So many people's lives are living testimonies of God's blessing, delivering and healing power through Jesus Christ today. Rose Tumwebaze, a quite rich lady from Uganda, East Africa, suffered from the TB bacteria which destroyed her back disc to an extent of not standing, eating or moving for more than a year due to the pain she had. She was taken to many qualified modern and traditional doctors who said clearly that she would no longer walk in her life, but she was expected to die at any time. Desperately taken back home, she had lost hope, but not until she was taken to Bishop David Kiganda of Christianity Focus Ministries, whom God utilized for her miraculous healing. When taken to Bishop David, she was carried by 4 men who deposed her in the office. Then the bishop raised his faith and ordered that they remove the corset from her back and commanded her to stand up. The bishop urged her then to stretch up while confessing words of faith, and work as intensive prayers were still going on as well. Miraculously, after standing up, she walked in the bishop's office from end to end as the back pain was decreasing. After walking, she felt hungry and was given to eat what could not happen for more than a year. After God had delivered Rose, it took only 2 months for her total recovery.
Naye bannange abooluganda, okuva nze olunaku omusumba lwe yansabira n'ensumuluka n'entambula, banaye nze siddangamu kulwala, siddangamu kuwulira kintu kyonna, era nze gwe mulaba eyali amaze emyaka 2 nga buli kimu kikolerawo, banaye kati ntambula bulungi, siina bulumi bwonna, ate ne mu Kadi Hospital gye nali yonna gye baali bankubira ebifaananyi nga bagamba nti amagumba gange gaafuuka evvu siriddamu kutambula. Leero gye ŋŋenda ne bankuba ebifaananyi nga bagamba nti amagumba weegali. Era olunaku olwaleero abooluganda nzo bakakasa n'obagamba nti bannange ebintu bya Kristo bikolera ddala, kubanga nze abantu bangi bammanyi, era banaye ndooza mundaba n'okulabika nga bwe ndabika. Era kati mpezezza emyaka 3 okuva Mukama bwe yansumulula. Neebaza Katonda olw'obulamu bwange bannange, neebaza Katonda olw'omusumba wange David Kiganda, kubanga yayimirira nange, n'akkiriza okuyimirira nange mu kunsabira, n'akkiriza okuyimirira nange mu mbeera gye nalimu, kubanga yayita mmanyi, era ekitiibwa n'etteeno mbiddiza Katonda.
Since Rose was delivered and healed, God did not leave her life the same. Despite the spiritual and financial blessings, she was still living with her husband without an official wedding. But finally, after realizing how the life of Rose had changed in every angle, her husband, Captain Tumwebazze, decided to officialize their wedding. On Saturday, 26th of April 2008, Ivan and Rose Tumwebazze became officially wedded and give all the glory to God. This is just what God is able to do. If you're living in the same status and think everything is impossible, just give your life to Jesus Christ today and He will do wonders.